Oh, what is going on, my peeps? Where are we all at, dude? We got a grand total of 1 viewer in the chat, is that right? Is that what I'm seeing? Don't matter who you are. Love you. Alright. You guys. I'll do a couple things real quick here. I'm going to set up a GitHub repository for 2D game base project for myself, so I don't have to import a trillion packages every time I fucking start up a game. So I'm going to be doing a lot of more of this like kind of game jammy type things. So we need a nice little template to work off of. Okay, we're going to call it what do I call my other one? I made one for HDRP. Unity 3D HDRP template. Unity 2D built-in template. There we go. Inside our Unity git ignore. Great. Holy man. Ah, dude, things are going, you know? I got most of Open World Part 2 filmed, recorded. I've decided, you guys, and Brutus, I'm getting a new motherboard and CPU. It's happening. I can't stand my fucking shitty hot CPU anymore. Okay, I was hoping you wouldn't pick up on that. I don't know actually why I separated you, but I did. Hey, you got everyone in Brutus. I don't even remember what I said. Okay, you want to know something kind of funny, you guys? And you were elevating me? Yeah, that's exactly what I was doing. You want to know something funny? My last live stream has 110 views? Oh, look at that, dude. Me doing push-ups. Three hours watch time during the stream. And then it has over an hour and a half of watch time after the stream. So this shit's good for 5 hours of watch time on the channel. Kind of interesting, right? No, I'm not ready to do 200 push-ups tonight. Please, no. I had a beer earlier. I don't want to do 200 push-ups with a beer in my stomach. Gotta catch me on a night when I don't have a beer. All right, please. Okay. So we're gonna open up a brand new project. We're gonna call it. Well, I don't know enough about 2D URP to be honest with you, but let's just do normal 2D. UD built. Is there a way to do this, you guys? Like, am I an idiot with source code? Like, or with version control? Like, I want to create a project, but I already have a Git repo here. Like, how can I create the project in here? Skydev! Skyzak. Hello, it's Mr. Skydev, the developer of the Beginning of the Life. Over on the YouTube, give me the watch time. I appreciate you, Skyzak. FCS? Already redeeming drink water. Does tea count? Oh, and a posture check. Okay. Respectfully, probably. Dude. Well... You know... I don't know how to do it, because... The only way I would know how to do it is... like nest a folder inside of here, like nest the project in here, like the head of the directory. That's kind of lame. I'm just trying to like I have a Git repository that I, you know, initialized here, but now I want to, okay, I'll tell you the problem, right? I'm gonna do these 25 push-ups and then you tell me the answer, okay? I have this Git repo here. Now I want to create a project from Unity inside here. But I can't create the project here because it's already named. I don't think I can open. I don't think I can open this. Right? Project not valid. There you go. There's the problem. Tell me the answer. I'm gonna do my push-ups. Isn't a problem specific to version source control? Use OBS or Streamlabs? I use Streamlabs. But honestly, I wish I used OBS. I would use OBS. Yo, Akash, what's up, dude? He's back. My man. You know what? I'm gonna do it the good old way because I don't know any other better way to do it. We're just gonna name it Unity 2D built-in template copy. This is what I always do. Oh, no, stop. I just created in the wrong fucking version. Can I stop creating? Dude, okay. You know what? I'm officially uninstalling this version because I don't know why it defaults to it. And we're not creating you. Why does it default to this one when I have a more recent one, right? We'll Which one is it defaulting to? Maybe we should restart. Holy man, dude. Holy man, you guys. We are going tonight. We're about to make a little game. We are going. Akash, what are you working on tonight, dude? Redeemed to highlight my message. Bravo, soldier, you made it now to the gas test. Did you say to the gas test? Okay, installs. Right, okay, let's try this. New project. Oh, now it does it. Maybe I just needed to update my my editor. Alright, all is good, all is good. Unity, Qt, built-in, template, copy, Qt, create. Alright, we're good. Now I can just fucking chill. Akash says it's morning here, just chilling. Oh, it's morning. Where are you at, dude? You're up? One time I asked someone that, I was like, I thought it was night for them. And I was like, yeah, how's it going tonight? And then they're like, oh, it's morning over here. And I was like, oh, where you live at? And I thought I was like trying to dox them, dude. I was like, no, I just want to know what half of the fucking world you live on. They're like, I'm not telling you where I live. I'm like, brother. I'm not. What time zone you live in? What about what country? What country should be good? See, Akash says he's from India. Alright, now everyone go to Akash's house. Give him a hard time. Maybe you need to con someone into modding for you on Twitch. Brutus, you want to mod for me? It's not a con, I promise. Reagan's my mod, dude, but Reagan's out. Reagan will throw down the hammer. I love how long it takes to create a new project. It's just incredible here. Yeah, I know Skyzag, Australia. This man has the thickest Australian accent I've ever heard. Okay. We're in a brand new 2D project. Okay, so then this is what I do now, is I close this. This is my process, you guys. Now I close this. I get all my copied assets. I bring them in here. You have a full-time job as a game developer or something? No. Nope. I just do this in my spare time. Some nights after I get home from work. Can I have mod please, mate? Just because you asked, just because you use the word mate after it, you think you're gonna get mod that easy? Let's be real, Reagan misses 50% of the streams. Well, that might be true, but she makes 50% of the streams. But no, we do need another mod. No, Skyzak, that was that was not a yes. Okay, so now we have this. The only thing is we need to delete this now, I think, because what else is like what is this? I never know if like this is okay to do, but I think it's fine. Like it doesn't create anything after that name, right? Anyways, then I come in here and then we go open template open. Now we have a Git repo with a new project. It's a really dumb process, but I don't know how to do it another way. I think it's because I'm dumb. Not saying she shouldn't be one, I'm just saying we need more. Brutus is now a mod, you guys. You can trust me, I almost have 150 subs on YouTube. that's not as trustworthy as it sounds. Okay, you guys, what kind of game should we make? You guys, okay, we have 2 minutes to give me good ideas to make a 2D game. And if I don't get a good idea, it has to be easy game though. One that we can complete. If I don't get any good ideas in 2 minutes, then I'm making my own version. Brutus got conned. Conned himself. Roguelike? I mean, we could go real simple roguelike. With like no inventory and shit. Vampire Survivors clone? Brutus has been oppressed, yeah. Yeah, you are. You've been burdened. I'm not hearing any ideas. I don't make 2D games? FCS, what do you make? 2D space game? I could make a 2D space game. We could also make a roguelike game that's really simple. Nah, I'm not gonna make Flappy Bird. It's not a bad idea, but I feel like everyone makes Flappy Bird. I don't want to make... I've already made it at some point in my life. I'm not gonna make it again. With multiple planetary... Okay, now I'm just getting trolled. You make 2D games in a 3D environment? That's what I should have done, honestly. Geometry Dash? Wait, okay, I have to remember what that game looks like. Okay, we could make a game in Endless Runner. Minecraft's 3D, 2D game. Checkers. All right, you guys, your time is up. We're gonna do vote, okay? We're gonna do vote. You can vote on YouTube. Just enter your, just chat it. I'm gonna do the vote on Twitch. What about that game, like the brick games where you like hit all the bricks away? Brick game, that's what it is. We're just gonna call it brick game. Roguelike. Okay. Here we go. Duration is 1 minute, so you gotta cast your vote quick. Polls live. The 4 options are Endless Runner, 2D space game, brick game, roguelike. Yeah, Brick Breaker. Brick Breaker is the brick game. No, you only get 1 vote. Cast your vote. You have 30 seconds. Okay. Oh shit. We have 2 for roguelike. Okay. The end result is 1 for space game, 1 for brick game, and 2 for roguelike. Minecraft, but in 2D. Actually, that's not a bad idea, right? We could do... That's like... We could kind of make like a roguelike game like that. Should we do that? Minecraft 2D? Isn't that just Terraria? Terraria, you can't like... You can't just like put blocks down though, right? Listening to this while working is very relaxing. Hell yeah, dude. I love lo-fi, dude. It's my new shit. It's just like when I wanna work and get shit done, like throwing some lo-fi, I don't know. Can't go wrong. What Visual Studio plugin do I use? Oh, for the theme? It's called like Atom One, or it's called like One Dark. Is the theme. Okay, well, let's make a roguelike game 2D, and we're gonna like... Is it gonna be tile? No, I don't want to do tile based. That's fucking ass to do. Should I do tile based? Coding? I don't know what you mean. Anyways, I need to like download some things. So I want to get the input system. Where's input? There it is. The other thing we need is this. I mean, I can show you some of the other plugins I use. I use this one called UI Toolkit Plus. It's pretty nice if you use UI Toolkit. Wait, okay. Can we get just a check in the chat? Is 2D Minecraft Terraria or no? Because I don't think it is. No, right? Okay. Tile-based or no? We don't need physics in a game like this. Fuck that. Okay, then we're also gonna add in the package manager using this git URL, UI toolkit. Tile-based would be easy. I'm trying to think, dude. Is that the easiest way to do it? Can't we just no clip through shift? Through shit? Oh man. Okay, so now I want to create a couple things. My art assets, and then we're going to create a folder with textures. And then, by the way, you guys, if you want this texture for free on my Patreon, you guys can get it. It's totally free. It's gradient palette. It's really, really nice. Texturing things, just different colors, but then you just need one texture for like a trillion different colors. Just gonna bring this in so we can color things differently. Okay, now we got our gradient palette. Yeah, tile base would probably be pretty easy. Tile base is like, you have to like remove things. I almost think like just making like a... Oh, they have it built in completely now? That's nice. I haven't done 2D in a while, I guess. Okay, we gotta do a little brainstorming. So, say we do Minecraft, a 2D, like, like what, what's the gameplay loop? Simple loop. You can build blocks, obviously. You can like put blocks down and shit, but like, what are we gonna do with those blocks? Just build 2D structures, like. What if you can only move in 2D, but you can rotate the axes? Dude, I don't want to make a game like that. A simple game, simple game. Oh my god, that would be so scary. Oh, X, Y, and ZY? Oh god. It's tripping me out even thinking about it. I'm trying to think of like how it like you could do that, but why would you do that? But look at this, Minecraft in 2D. Okay, I'm gonna probably... I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I would need for 2D in general, but I think I'm just gonna call it there in terms of my template. So next time I come back, I can just open up, I can just copy this template. Let's commit this. Commit and push this. Okay. We can always come back to this now. Be a nice simple way to set up a 2D project next time. Did you send a link, Akash? I don't know if links come through on this other chat that I have. Oh, no, you haven't sent one. I don't know if I have any tile maps. Do I have tile maps? Pixel Heroes Editor. This is one I got in the 30 for 30 the other day. We should definitely use this though. This is gonna be good. I got this for like $1 on the Unity Asset Store. Okay, if we can't get that, I'm not gonna make a tile map, like, so. We have to go to the Unity Asset Store. Find a free version. Just get something to start. Here we go. This one looks fine. Actually, this one looks great. Oh, super tile map editor. Oh, okay, that's it. In order to use this asset, you need to install. Wait, what? Fucking bitches, dude. Really? What is this even then? They got me, dude. They actually got me. Okay, Pixel Heroes is done. Environments? Does this have any? Okay, they got some cool like assets and stuff. Oh, yes. Wait. This comes with tiles. Fuck yeah. Oh, I'm so happy I got this. It's in Pixel Heroes environment. Wait, so what are... Is this a tile map? Oh, yeah, okay, okay. What is it? It's like tile... I have to go to the tile palette? Fuck. Who remembers how to use tile maps? Instacat made Minecraft in 2D. Can I look at that? Alright, cool. Alright, so we have like all this. I guess this is just, I don't know if this is actually ground grass tile. Maybe we have to make a tile map out of it. Clear tile night. This is just this other shit. We don't need this. It's actually really annoying. Oh, we got a demo scene. Yeah, let's check this out. Heroes demo. I see what they're doing. They're just tiling this. Right. Okay. Well, we could do something like that. They're not using an actual tile map. Okay. Well, let's go this approach, because I don't want to spend too much time thinking about all this shit. Alright, let's make a brand new scene. Game scene. And let's get started. Here we go. Let's make a map. Are data structures useful for game development? Most definitely. I don't know exactly what context you're talking about though. Like what kind of data structures are you talking? You're just saying like in general data structures. I don't know why this is so big. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Regardless, the answer is yes. That's the correct answer. In general, like to make code clean and more optimized like that. Yeah, definitely, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't like worry about the technicalities of that too much right now. Like if you're just beginning, like I feel like that stuff will become more and more obvious as you get better, but like you don't have to worry about that stuff as a, you know, fair. Like if you're fairly beginner, then you don't have to worry about that too much. Why is everything so tiny, do you think? I'm trying to figure that out, dude. Hmm. Can you build a beautiful 3D world video? Can I add occlusion culling? Like, will it be applicable to do that? You can. Like, for better performance. Is that what you're trying to do? Like, get better performance? Ooh, by the way, I've recorded like 2/3 of the next one. It's almost, I'm gonna drop it soon. It's gonna be a lot about water. Hint, hint. Maybe it's, do I, battery controls? I should have just created my own game completely from scratch instead of using these assets. I'm spending all this time on assets. See, I will make a 100% accurate prediction here. He'll send me the video, ask for my feedback, and then post the video before he gets my feedback. Depends how much of a time crunch I'm in. Very possible. Right. Where were we? Environments. Let's get like the ground tile in here. Yeah, for some reason these are just like a way bigger. So okay, we'll just rock with this. Tiled, we'll do like a width of like 10, just make that just fucking extra wide, boy. Add in a box collider, 2D. Why doesn't it do, okay. So if I add a box collider in and then I change it, it doesn't change with it. Isn't that like pretty annoying? You think tile map collider? Also, what happened to our music? There we go. I don't know if tile map is the way, dude. I don't think that's the way. Let's look it up. Unity box collider that scales with tileable sprite.
Hello everybody, and welcome this right, and drag the scale out of this to be as big as where you need it to be. For me, I know we just are so the first would be on the asset. It's full from clamp to repeat. So we can just go ahead and apply those changes. We're going to set them properly now. If we do have a collider, we're going to set that to auto tiling. And so
auto tiling, where is that at? Doesn't exist. Oh, I had box collider, not. There we go. Let's go. We got it. Okay. Mod view with stream pop out is the business. I was mad that the stream was so small. There you go. This guy knows space background for the space game. Yeah, he's crushing it. We didn't do space game. We got outvoted. Well, we're just gonna create our own guy because fuck, I'm not gonna just do everything from these pre-made assets. Has a scope been defined? Not really. Just fucking Minecraft in 2D, basically. No idea how we're gonna do it. Okay, we need to create a... Make a little 2D capsule. Yeah, character controller, that's what we need. What does that even mean? I don't know. I don't know what it means. Oh, we need to get a couple things. Shit, I fucked up my base. I forgot to get a couple important things. One is fast script reload. We're gonna need that for some fast iteration. Okay. Does this guy fall down now? Oh, I need to disable this. Quick little tip, you guys. If you're using Unity, go into your editor and check enter play mode options, and then when you press play, you won't lag anymore. GG's. Step offset must be less or equal to scaled height plus scaled radius. It's a weird error. There we go. Okay. Little separator here. The rigid body will make it fall. Okay, I forgot if we needed a rigid body or not if we were using character controller. Ah, see, you can't add a rigid body 2D with character controller. I mean, we could make a rigid body character controller, but I don't really know if I want to do that. I don't like rigid body controllers anymore. Oh, Eureka moment for another video idea? Alright, let's hear it. Let's hear Brutus's genius idea. So stupid. Let's ask ChatGPT. Create a simple character movement controller with movement, jump in 2D. Oh shit. Unity. Make me something quick. I believe you. I believe in you, ChatGPT. Come on. It didn't use it, dude. Use the built-in character controller menu instead of rigid body. There we go. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Right, let's go in here. Open up our player movement. Here we go. Brutus, what's the idea? Oh, there it is. Okay. Top tips for getting started with Unity. You already have it in there though. I know you can come up with more than 10 too. Yeah, I definitely got like 5 or 6 already written down there. I want them to be good ones. So whenever I think of good ones or I come across good ones, I log them in there. But yeah, that'll be a good, easy content to do when I'm lacking something. Okay. Yeah, let's add our player movements and player scripts. Using a ground check. It's kind of stupid. Oh, ground check? Okay. It's saying to... This is so weird. Why is it doing it crazy like this? Create an empty game object that the child of your character in position is slightly below the character's feet. Assign the game object to ground check. Okay. Alright, we could do that. I have to add a ground layer. Alright, so let's do it. Nope. Probably because we didn't add this to the ground. That doesn't do it. This is like one of the worst character controllers I've ever seen. I didn't think ChatGPT would give me something this bad. Maybe we should just do rigid body instead. I wonder if we're getting there. I don't really know why this isn't working, this check sphere. It just falls the whole time. Okay, let's just use the rigid body, dude. Plus, I just use so much rigid body that I should know how to do this super well. Wait, what? You guys, I think I'm just bad at 2D games. I can't figure out why this collider is not colliding with this one. Missing a rigid body on one? What's up, Zaray? No, I got a box collider on ground tile. I got a collider on both of them. I can move. Huh. That is odd. Let's try this real quick. Let's just make a square, dude. And let's add a rigid body 2D to it. Continuous, and then we want to be a kinematic. It doesn't collide. Oh, sorry, I didn't add a collider. Wait, was I being stupid? No, oh, it's because I didn't have a rigid body. I bet that's why. God, dude, every time. That's why I'm gonna be pissed. Okay, well, this needs to now be kinematic. We can probably get rid of the square. Oh, it still doesn't do it? Kinematic. Has a rigid body, it has a collider. Uses to collide with my player. Okay, let's bring back the square. The square was colliding with shit. just hates my player. Does my player not have a... my player's collider got fucked. Well, I'm an idiot, you guys. Jesus Christ. Every time, dude, it's just something dumb. Isn't that just coding for us? Alright, good. At least we got this. Oh shit, okay. Yep, it's isn't that just the most classic thing you've ever seen, Zure? What are you up to tonight, Zure? You got a game going? Need to freeze constraints. We need a freeze rotation. Okay, cool. Okay, let's create something. Let's make what are we gonna call it? Blocks. Blocks. Create like a 2D square. Work on games, you work on security. What kind of security you work on? It's like, what's a normal Minecraft block? What's the most normal Minecraft block you can think of? Dirt? Dirt, right? Okay, honestly, you guys, I'm gonna say fuck this scene, though, real quick. Because I tried to use a different scene from this Pixel Heroes things, and it's scaled, like, really weirdly. I think it's scaled for a pixel project. I don't want to create a pixel project. Oh, you're onto a 2D game? I'm just fucking around tonight. I'm just trying to have some fun and like create something. This project is dead after tonight. All my scales were like really weird. We're just gonna create like a really blocky game just because it's easy. I'm starting to get back in the swing of things. Now I'm remembering 2D a little bit more. Yeah, we're just gonna create a square. We're gonna call this graph. Okay. This is gonna be, we'll say it can be tiled. Okay, let's not forget the rigid body and the box collider this time. Okay, cool. Let's make our background something cooler than this. Let's make it like a nice, like a lighter, something like that. Okay, cool. Anti-reversing, anti-cheating stuff. Oh, that's sick. Oh shit. I feel like I have questions I want to ask you. Teaching devs how to proper do network. Damn. You know some good shit. I tried making multiplayer games for a little bit and it went horribly. Actually, I've done it multiple times. It goes bad every time. I did make a little FPS game though. It like kind of worked. We were able to throw grenades and the grenades exploded on each other's screens. That was about as far as I got in my multiplayer game. Good to mix it up every now and again. Yeah, just you know, having a chill, fun 2D stream. See what we can get done in a night. Okay, the next thing that we're gonna make is we have to make blocks, right? So okay, so yeah, we're making blocks. That's what we're doing. Let's make our unit 0.5. Okay, we're gonna make this a slightly lighter dirt color. Okay, that's our normal block. Just gonna call this dirt. Oh, whoops. Dirt. Okay. Alright, let's create a folder of scriptable objects as well. We're gonna call this scriptable objects block. Pong kinda worked. Oh yeah, that's right, we made Pong. It kinda worked. Me and Brutus played across wherever you're in Nashville or some shit, Brutus. I played Brutus in Nashville from here in California. We actually did make Pong work. That was actually the best, dude. Incredible. Oh, what is the declaration for a scriptable object? It's like can't remember. Make a scriptable object class. I have terrible. Yeah, Brutus was not. He didn't have either the best skills or he's saying the best connection. So, oh, I shouldn't have made fun of him. He's getting fiber soon. I hate you. Okay, this is what we gotta do here. Block. Minecraft 2D block. Okay. The block will have a name type. That's all we'll do for now. Fuck it. Just want to get a little structure there. So then we'll create a. Does it show it? Yeah, I need to refresh. You're working from home today? Oh, hell yeah, Thurolf. The proof is in Discord. Wait, should we get that up? Should we pull that up? Shit. Where was that? Yes! Here it is. Video unavailable. Oh, here it is, you guys. Watch the match between me and Brutus. Fucker currently is in Starlink. Oh shit. Not the most stable thing yet. I see. Wasn't this it? I feel like if this wasn't... It took me to the wrong timestamp. Dude, where was it? Why did they get rid of that clip? Dude, ugh, I can't find it, you guys. I'm sad. Brutus, you've been spared. You actually stay longer than usual? Hell yeah, dude. That's what I like to hear, Mr. Throlf. You watch my stream for once. That's what I like to hear. Just to say you can watch a stream. Come on, easy one. There you go, yeah. Talking about your post, which post is that? Okay. What's next? We're making blocks. We're making blocks. I can't get too distracted, you guys. We have to make something before the night ends. Okay, we have this dumb square. Oh, what happened to our... What happened to the square? Missing sprite? What? Dude, it's just a square. Okay. Dirt. Really a pretty small. That's too small, right? We need to make it bigger, but is one? I guess one's fine. Yeah, we'll make it one. Okay. Okay, so how about if the player clicks, then we place a block. Can we do that logic next? If input dot key down should be click or space? Maybe space, huh? No, space is jump. We can't do space. Click for placing blocks, you guys. You're talking about the one right below? Okay, what do you guys think about? Oh, this one? Game view, front view? Yeah, it went right through his. That's apparently what he thinks. We're just gonna do click. Mouse. Okay, mouse down. We have to create a block now, so... I mean, we could just do this really dumb and not use skippable objects and shit. Just do that for now. Okay, so we have a dirt block prefab, and then we say instantiate dirt block prefab. Okay, then let's create another field. Private list. List of game objects. It's gonna be dirt blocks. Good, perfect. And we'll do dirt blocks dot add spawn dirt block. Wow, the IntelliSense is really coming through for me. Fuck yeah. Okay, but we have to get the player facing direction. Let's say vector to player, or no, player direction is just, we can just do transform dot transform direction, right? Transform directions from local space to worlds. I don't know if this is a 2D method, to be honest with you. Transform.forward. That's what I think we need. So we have to spawn this. And then we have to say spawn dot transform dot position equals transform dot position plus transform dot forward. Let's see if times 1f works for now. Okay, so hopefully that spawns it in front of our player, right? Let's test it out. Why isn't that link on YouTube? Why isn't that a link? YouTube is lame. I don't know, dude. Hop in the Discord. Yeah, hop in the Discord, you guys. We're definitely becoming more and more active. It's always fun to have people in there, dude. We're trying to make a motivated community of game devs. Whatever you're doing, dude, hop in there. Show us your shit that you're working on every day, whatever. Okay, dirt. Go by. Let's throw in this dirt here. Let's just see if this works. We're going really... Oh, shit. Oh. Ag ground is not defined. What is it doing that from though? I don't get it. Oh shit. Okay. I see. It wants me to call this ground. Yeah. Hold up. Okay. What? Oh. Yeah, we forgot to make this tiled. Tiling. There we go. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, there we go. Let's spawn. Object reference not. Oh, okay, we can just renew. Package delivery tracking is low-key a joke. Expected arrival from 8 a.m. to... Wait, is that for real, dude? Block out an entire day to receive it? Dude, what the fuck? I just tell them just deliver my shit. Can you do that? Or is it really, like, really expensive? I don't feel like I'm losing my right to call myself a game dev. I've been stuck on the same feature problem for almost 2 weeks now. Is this, like, for work? Or is this your hobby game dev? I've abandoned my games 3 times with point over a single feature. What about Trello Clone, dude? Have you officially abandoned Trello Clone yet? It's real and it's very expensive. Oh, it's on your hobby project? Dude, persistent bugs like that are the worst. Like... Or feature, I mean, like, yeah. Well, if it's a feature, then maybe that feels better. Maybe you're making some progress. Are you making progress, or are you just totally stuck? You haven't abandoned Trello Clone? Dude, when's the last time you worked on it, though? Yesterday? Alright, alright. I guess it's officially not abandoned anymore. Oh my god, you guys, we can spawn blocks? Yeah. Okay. The problem is they are not in the direction of... Dude, I should just stop doing 2D shit. It's actually pathetic how my knowledge of 2D versus like 3D. Okay, it's in the 001 direction. Yeah, okay, well, forward is apparently not in the red direction. Is red, is that X? Forward, it's saying Z. Or 00, yeah, it's saying Z is forward. Oh, that's just how normal Unity works. What are the other ones? There's up. And then there's right. They're also transform.left though? No, there's only, okay. So which one's in the red direction, which would be X? Right. Okay, but that doesn't get our look direction. Yeah, transformed out right. But we're also gonna have to add in the look direction. So I don't know how the best way to do that, but at least we can just test this real quick. Nice. Yeah, what's the problem, Thurl? Maybe if you explain it to us. Yeah. Explaining something always helps me spark my dumb brain into thinking of solutions. Oh, by the way, in the Discord, I did make a code samples chat. It's new, it should be there. And I published my moving platform with custom waypoints creator in there. So it's a nice little snippet of code if you ever want to grab it. I'm gonna hopefully be posting more of that stuff in there every once in a while. Yeah, okay, so let's just add like a look direction. Private this will be public look direction. Oh wait, this is gonna be a public vector. Actually, is this just gonna be like a yeah, we can make a public vector too. Actually, dude, I just want to work like with vector 3s, to be honest with you. I mean, we could just get move x actually, but here we'll say look direction equals nah, you know what? We should make this a float, and then we'll just say it's okay, move x. Then we can just do that dot normalize. Okay, then back in layer we can say and this works with the position much better. And I suppose we'll do 1F. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if that works. Oh, sick. Didn't work at all. Make your ramblings sound readable. Vader, is sparking an idea for you like catching wet grass on fire? I don't know if I've heard. I feel like I should have heard that expression before in my life. I've never heard it. Oh, well, now I know. Oh, shit. It works. It's just that if I'm not moving, it's 0. So it just has to... Okay, so we could just say, I'm just coding really badly tonight. Sometimes you just gotta let it, let it flow and just not care, I think. If move x is not equal to 0. Let's try that. There we go. And it works. The only thing I'll say is that this should start as... Okay, is there... Can you do... Oh, you can. You can do vector 3 dot... Right. Start it one direction, so it doesn't start at 0. Oh, that didn't work. I think... Vector 3 dot right? Can we just do this? No, I did transformed alright. I wonder if it's different. It says it should be. What the fuck? That prints 0? Can you not do this? It's pretty weird to me. I'm confused, you guys. Why does that... Why does it print that? That doesn't. I wonder if it's because it's 2D. Could it be because it's 2D? Oh no, now it's printing correctly. Wait, what? Was I just reading it? Maybe something didn't update. Okay. I think that works. Yeah, okay, that works. Cool. Okay, next thing is these need to be rigid bodies. So let's add in a box collider 2D. Okay, they're also... I don't like this ground check shit. Like, I don't like how this is working. I suppose we could just put like a dirt or a block tag on these guys. I don't know. This is stupid, but it's fine. Oh yeah, you guys. Let's go. We're building Minecraft. Yeah, we got a ways to go. Alright, let's read up on Thurl's problem here. Being near a dungeon that has a bunch of rooms where you have to defend against invaders. And a drive exploration of a 3D space without manually placing empty game objects everywhere. Okay, interesting. Yeah, okay, so Thurl, do you want them, question, do you want them to only explore spaces that they haven't yet explored? Like say that you have like one room here and one room here, right? And they're like coming from up here and they like explore this room here, but they came from this room. Should they never go back to this room or and always go to the next room or one of the next rooms? Or once they explore the new room, do they have a chance of going back to an old room? Okay, so now we have to create like a grid system. So let's make like a game. I don't know if we're gonna make like a game manager. Oops, I have to do managers. Yeah, they should be able to recognize that they have been somewhere before. Okay, so you can't have like a random. You can't just have it like randomly sample a point in space. I said, but only spawn them when the player is close. I mean, okay, consider this. Oh, it's a strategy game with no fog of war. Well, I'm thinking like, could you get away with, well, okay. Does the gameplay loop depend on like the AI actually exploring the dungeon and doing things? Like say an AI goes through a room that the player has never been to before, and then it moves on from that room, and it's now somewhere else. Now, say the player goes into a room that's been explored by the AI. Is there any case where the player knows about that, like knows that the AI has been there, or does that not matter? Because if it doesn't matter, you don't need to have all of these AI live exploring things. You can just randomly choose rooms by like some point, like some random point, and then you just count that as explored or not explored. You don't actually spawn the AI in and do exploring. Or, yeah, I don't know. Like, I kind of think like spawning in the AI if the player is close enough only, and then just taking care of like any other logic that like would happen behind the scenes. I don't know. Maybe that's not necessary. But then, like, if you do that, then you just have to like sample different parts of world space. And then you use this like mesh of like, networked points of like, oh, I've already explored this area for the AI. And then if the player is like within a radius of where the AI currently is, then you spawn it in and it starts exploring around. Yeah, it matters. Invaders will steal your gold. But yeah, so say you just like say you're like just spawn like random points on the map, and that's like, oh, an AI has spawned there before, right? It's been there. And then if the player is not within the vicinity for some amount of time after the like NPC has been there, then then like you just subtract the gold from that room from the player. You never actually spawn in the AI. Well, that's one way you could do it, but then also, yeah, like because you're using nav mesh agents, I would think that you could just like you could block out a room that it's been in, and then you could just randomly sample a point in your dungeon, and if that random point is within a space that that AI has already traversed, then you just you just find a random point again. You just redo it. I did some logic like that one time where like I was working with nav mesh agents, and I didn't want it to like spawn a point within a radius, within a specific radius of the AI, because if it did spawn a point, it would just like go in loops around that point because it could never actually reach it because it had a specific turn radius. So I would randomly spawn a point, and then I would check is that point within like a sphere centered at the current transform, and if it was, then I just randomly get another point until it wasn't. Okay, so we need like kind of a grid system. Just gonna call it like base spacing equals okay, so basically we're just gonna when we spawn in this dirt block, we're going to place it, we're gonna round its position. I don't know how to do this easily. Rounds. I guess we can just do it within each. Yeah. Round each value in a vector radian to the nearest. Sure. Is there an easy way to do this? Round vector to int? Of course there is. Literally called round vector to ints. Oh no, they're making a method. I was like, Jesus, that's crazy. like the idea of randomly picking destination, but the idea of sampling the nav mesh all over the place to get room information is smart. Yeah, okay. Oh shit. Holy shit. Nope, it doesn't work. The positions of all these. They're not rounded, dude. Oh, it's because I never fucking set the position to that. I'm a genius. What is this? Hold up. Okay, it's working on a grid system. What are the size of my dirt blocks? What the fuck? Wait, what? What's their size? Oh. It says it right here, 0.64. Why are they 0.64? What's causing it to be 0.64? What? I need to override it? No, it's the same. Alright, they're all glad, yeah. Maybe you can get some new ideas. Let me know how you end up solving it. When you do, I know you're gonna get it. In a conversation always solves. You need to override it? Were you talking about overriding the prefab like this? It's like the box collider says it's 0.64, but I don't know why the box collider is actually I don't know why the sprite is actually that big. I can't figure it out. Oh, it's because I'm doing 2D shit, dude. It's this bullshit, like it's because the size of the scene in 2D is like 5. So the scale is all fucked up. Dude, I actually hate 2D. I don't understand why they do this with the orthographic camera. $2D Master Race? Dude. I'm so bad at 2D, as you can tell. So if I make this bigger, does it... Yeah, okay. I mean, I could change it to be a certain size, such that, like, the base size is correct. I don't know. Do you know anything about, like, getting it to just, like, 1 unit? I don't know, it's kind of a random ass question. I feel like it's just, like, not how they work, how 2D works in Unity in general. It's just, like, kind of dumb. But I think I've always been frustrated by this. I wish it could just be like in 3D, where it's like, oh, your screen space is like 1920 by 1080. I don't really understand why they don't do that with orthographic projection. What was the question? Well, like, right, so I have this dirt block. I have this, it uses the sprite renderer, which is the scale, or the square. The scale is 1, but the actual size of the square is 0.64. It's like, I wish it was just like 1. I wish I could use work in units of 1. Yeah, it's pretty annoying in Unity. I mean, I could change my camera to be bigger, and then I could work in units of 1. I could do this divided by 0.64, right? Now my blocks are 1. Oh, well, that's a scaled. See, now they're on a perfect grid. Camera should not affect the collider. Well, it doesn't affect the collider, it's just... It just affects the scaling, like, it just affects the units that you use. That's the collider, not the object, but the collider is exactly the size of the object. Right, you can see the green outline. It automatically sizes to be the size of this square. Pixels per unit, it's 100. Anyways, kind of a dumb problem. I mean, scaling it like I just did works. But I don't really like that solution. The other solution would be just choosing a particular grid size, 0.64, grid spacing, 0.64. Then when I set the position, like the grid, instead of round vector to ints, I would have to do some weird like normalization process. Dirt has children. Well, you know what? I found a solution, right? So let's just roll with it because I don't care. I'm not trying to make anything fucking special tonight. Plus, I'm running out of time. Ground. Let's make this 40 and let's make this 10. No, 5. And then we'll just scale our player up to 1. Oh, maybe not that big. Alright, well. So here we go. I think it's on a grid system. Yeah, it's on a grid system. Oh no, I'm stuck. I have to create a physics material here because I get stuck on the side of the walls and it's really annoying. Luckily, I just spent 5 days learning about all this shit. Now I know that we can do no friction, and we can set friction combined to minimum, and we can set I'm just afraid that this is gonna make me slide over the place. Hold on. No, it doesn't. Okay. See if I can jump. Oh, I can still get held up though. Oh, it's because I didn't apply it to my player. Oh, I have to do physical material 2D. Fuck me. You gonna start working? Alright, hell yeah. Thanks for the alert, the roll. Good luck, dude. Also, let us know how it goes with your dungeon crawling problem. Wait, why'd you say dirt has children? Where did that come from, dude? What do we see in here? I don't see any children with the dirt. Physics material 2D? Where is that? There it is. Okay. No friction. Oh no, you can't do minimum? What? Wait, how does that even make any sense? Why wouldn't you be able to do the minimum option in 2D? I hate 2D. Okay, well at least we slow down. Hey, we can't stick to the sides anymore. There we go. Okay, good. That feels better. Oh, you're confused by the prefab? Yeah. We got dirt on dirt. I hate that. I hate 2D. Well, it's just Unity is a Unity is 3D software, dude. I just feel like their 2D shit, I mean, it's a lot better now, but their 2D shit is just not nearly as optimized as their 3D is, like their workflows. There's just some serious fucking weird problems they have. Right, like the orthographic size, like that makes no sense to me. I still to this day don't understand why they do it like that. Why don't they just do it with like screen space? I'm pretty sure it's because they just ported over like a bunch of 3D shit into 2D. And they had to do something weird with cameras. I don't know. I actually don't know the reason, but it feels clunky. Okay, so what do you guys think? Do you think instead of which moved the last move direction we were looking, it should be where our mouse is pointing? That's where we put the block. So that then like we can jump and put one below us, right? We want to be able to jump and put one below us. So instead of this, we want to say I don't know if we're gonna have to do this like world space to world. Mouse position. Block placement needs an outline? Yeah, it does. We need to use additional methods such as camera.screen to world point. Yeah, we want to use that. Say what? Camera dot. Get world point from mouse position. The fuck? Oh, I think I have to do main camera. Oh, main. There we go. Okay. Okay, then we do vector3 dot. Layer to mouse equals transform dot position minus mouse position. Okay, so then that's our vector. Oh, but then we need to do, we need to get like, what is the largest value? Set vector3 and unity to direction. Set vector 3 then. There's no way this is the best way to do this, right? That's so clunky. Actually, I have a better idea. If we allow for diagonal placement, Discord. If we allow for diagonal placement, then I can just round each of the components. One sec, you guys. But okay, what I was saying basically was that if we allow for diagonal placement, then I can really easily just round off this vector in all the directions. So then we can just say round all components of vector 3. Work is great. Run regression tests while watching stream. Hell yeah, dude. Let's go. We're making fucking Minecraft 2D in one night. Okay, so you just have to do it for each one. Right, okay, so we normalize it and then we say player to mouse equals new vector 3 to mouse dot math f dot round. Okay, let's just print this. And let's see what it says. Okay, so I'm looking straight up and it's -1, 1. -1 and y? Our directions are what again? Y and Z? Okay, so right, if I'm looking up and I click, we're getting -1, 1. That's wrong. If I look to the left and click, it's a... God. Yeah, this is all wrong. I'm gonna just ask ChatGPT to do it for me. In a 2D game in Unity, hit the mouse position. Let's see if it doesn't fuck it up like I did. Okay, so that printed out 100. Printed out 110. This is not working at all. Trying to learn how to code. How hard would you say it is to pick it up? Well, I mean, with all the tutorials that exist out there, I would say it's not very hard to pick it up to start. It really just matters like what your dedication is and how much passion you have for it and how hard you want to learn it. So, if you want to do it, dude, then do it. That's my advice. You can do it. And also, we got a community here. If you are new, to help you out do it. You can ask me questions anytime about anything. I can't promise I'll be able to answer them, but I'll help you out whenever I can if I can. Oh, this is why. Yeah, mouse position is totally fucked. Okay, so is it screen to world point or world to screen point? I'm pretty sure the player position is the world point, right? Okay, so if I click now, if I click right on the player, it should give me the same answer. It does. Okay. That's good. That's better. So I think like basically just this now. Let's try this again. What kind of code are you trying to learn, Stearns? Trying to learn how to do game dev or something else? Okay, okay, so I'm looking at these two values right now. When I click way over here to the left, we're at -5 in X. It's about the same in Y. Okay, so basically if we just subtract the first one, like, oh, interesting. Yeah, okay. Well, we just need to make a vector 2 here, though. Mouse position minus player position. I can't really understand why this isn't working. Oh. If I click far enough away, it works. Yeah. It's in the right direction now. Okay. This means positive X, yes. This means positive Y, yes. This means negative X, yeah. Okay, it works. Doing some game dev? Hell yeah. Been using Replit? Replit? What is Replit? Yeah, I like Thorough Sleep Bias. Do some mini projects. Definitely, I definitely like learning through example, like doing things, because that gives you the best context. So yeah, do little mini projects. Go to the website. All right. Any good? Interesting. I don't know what this is. What does this do? Oh, oh, it's pretty cool. This is a pretty cool website for sure. It seems like, you know, a good resource for like scripting and learning how to code. But I would say from what I don't really know much about this website, but I would definitely say if you want to get into game dev, you probably should not use this website. But like I said, there's nothing wrong with using this website to like learn how to code. Like this obviously does full-fledged Python just fine. So you can learn how to code in whatever language you want. This is math. We've done math. Cool. That's a pretty cool website. I like it. Online IDs don't usually support all packages libraries. That's true. Yeah, that is a major problem with the online. Like, let's see. Like, what does this have? Does it have pandas? Or let's see. Does it have NumPy? Can't really tell. Oh, it got NumPy at least. What should I learn for using game dev? Well, I mean, I have had pretty good experiences with Unity overall, man. I would highly recommend Unity. I mean, some people like Godot. It's like a little bit simpler, but to be honest with you, like there's way more tutorials on Unity. The other option, like, okay, let me just put it this way. When it comes to like, if you're a serious game dev, there's essentially two main platforms. There's Unity and there's Unreal Engine 5. Unreal Engine 5 is like for, you know, AAA games, like big developers. I mean, you can be an indie game dev and use it, and it's totally fine, and it's really good. But generally, Unreal Engine 5 is a more professional solution, like for large scale games, like AAA games and multiplayer games. And then Unity is traditionally more for like smaller indie devs, people with smaller projects that like 2D, 3D. So I use Unity. I highly recommend it. It uses C# programming language. C# is one of the biggest languages in the world. It's still being used a ton everywhere, so you get, you know, not only the whole Unity editor, but you get to learn C#, which has like, you know, down the road there's tons of jobs you can get using C#. Really good for application development. So, you know, if I had to recommend one, I would definitely recommend Unity. It's what I use. Yeah, Python. Say Python. Oh, I was just fucking around. Oh. Oh, yeah, Stern says Python is what I'm using. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, dude. If you're serious about game dev, don't use Python. Okay, so you want to be game dev like in the future. You want to work in game dev. Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, dude, I mean Python is a really useful language, but like I'm not gonna talk shit on Python because it's really useful. It's a huge language, right? Super popular, but it's absolutely dog shit for game dev. Like I'm just gonna keep it real with you right now. Python is one of the worst options for game dev. So if you want to learn Python for other reasons, like do it 100%, but don't do game dev in Python. Stop. If you're trying to do game dev in Python, stop immediately. Use C++ or C#. If you want to explore two languages that are going to be really useful for game dev, try out C++ and try out C#. I would recommend C#. I like it a lot better than C++. I don't know anything right now. Okay, good. Well, hell yeah. I mean, it's good that you're like feeling it out and shit. Now you know. Don't use Python. Don't force C++ on the man. Yeah, use C# first. Don't do C++ first. I think, dude. Okay, what do you guys think? I think C# is like it's like a really solid language to learn coding in because like I just feel like C# does like it's object oriented, right? And it does things the right way a lot of times. Python is weird. I also wouldn't want to learn how to code in Python, even though I did learn how to code in Python. Learning how to code in Python just made me develop horrible habits. C#, Kotlin, or JavaScript? Yeah, that's true. Yeah, JavaScript also is really, really solid one to learn. C# is the best language because it can do everything really good, or pretty good. Yeah, it just seems like the most versatile language to me, and it's also just like really well put together. Okay, we kind of diverged a little bit, but that was a good discussion. Hey Jay, I know literally nothing about JS, so. Every time I try to learn it, I just stop. TypeScript, I don't know much TypeScript, but I heard pretty good things about it. Wait, is that the iOS? No, that's Swift, right? Or is Swift deprecated now? Is it gone? Okay, so our problem here is that basically it's a really small number. Direction. I don't really understand why this is I'm gonna print both of these two here. You work as a software engineer? No, I'm not a software engineer, but I do quite a bit of coding at my job. I do more like data analysis. I work a lot in Python, but then in my free time I do game dev and I work a lot in C#, and I like C# way more. At this point, I just don't like Python. Well, I guess Python's good for little scripting jobs, but I don't like it for big projects. It's a nightmare, dude. Okay, so when I click here, we get... Oh, okay, I see what's happening. It's because we need to do this. Nah. Vector, can we just do vector2 diff equals these two? I think we can do that. Yeah, and then we just do diff.normalized. It's because the third component was like outscaling everything else and it got fucked. Alright, let's try this. Also, I don't recommend becoming a web dev these days. Market is oversaturated as fuck. Everyone wants web dev in the West. That's true, dude. So many people have gone web dev. It's crazy. But it's so important, too. Like, there's so many jobs for it. I don't know. But yeah, it's probably going to become oversaturated. Coding's getting really saturated. Like everyone's going to school for it. It's because it's, like, consistently the most highest paying job. Gemini, what's up, dude? What we doing? Regression tests are done? Oh man, back to work, dude. Alright, is this gonna work now? Yes, it works. Yo, Stern, thanks for the follow, dude. Also, I'll drop the Discord one more time if you're interested. You can always ask me questions in the Discord. I'll be there pretty active almost all days. He's not becoming oversaturated. People pretending to be programmers is oversaturated. Exactly. Okay. Yes. That is what I should have said. There's a lot of people trying to become programmers. There are very few good programmers. If you're a good programmer, it's very easy to separate yourself from the bad ones. I wouldn't even say I'm that I don't even think I'm that good of a coder, dude. Not what I do primarily. A good programmer would just shit on me in a job interview. Okay, so we got our direction now. I don't even think we need this part. Or no, we do. Yeah. Okay. So we got rounded direction. So now instead of using the player movement look direction, we're gonna do this. Think that should work? Let's try it out. Oh my god, yes. Except I keep trapping myself. I think it works. Can we place a block under us? Yes, dude. We're fucking 2D Minecrafting. Look at this shit. Oh, you guys, I'm happy. We made it this far. Now add TNT. Yeah, that's the truth. Of being a developer is just impossible, dude. So much knowledge. Better to just focus on one language, dude. That's what I think. Need box outline. What if instead of box outline, I just make it the grid spacing slightly bigger? I don't want to have to make, I don't know how to make box outlines easily with this. Think that works? No, I don't. I think this is like a canvas thing. Okay. Here, we just do this. Cal, what's up? Trying to learn. Got my degree at least. Working on Java though. Still new. Learning core Java. Hey, that's a good language to learn. What kind of projects are you working on, Calv? Alright, how about this? No? Is it not big enough? I'm confused. I thought this would like, maybe I need to do a domain reload or something. There's a interesting trick for easy outlines. Oh shit, Gemini, drop some knowledge on me, please. Gemini got some good little hacks, dude. Okay, I don't know why my code isn't, it's not updating this position now. Oh, I think it's because it's rounding it to an integer. Dude, what? Okay, it's time to do... I'm so confused. It says the vector is 1.5. Oh, wait. That's how far away it is from the player. What we need is like a grid. What's determining the grid spacing for them? Oh no, that's right, because we round to the nearest integer. So if I want to space it further, it's fucked. Ah, okay, yeah, whatever. Stupid. It's honestly stupid. Well, then in that case, we could just make these tiny, like a little bit less. We can make it like 1.4. There. Do you guys like this better? Little distance between them. Alright, what is Gemini saying? In Blender, make a box, turn it inside out. Want me to open a Blender, dude? Okay. Well, this is like a 2D, this is like a plane. We're doing 2D shit tonight. But I hear you, Gemini. Use an outline shader? True, we could use an outline shader. Cal, if you're learning 2D games mostly, I feel like so much that college didn't prepare me for. Oh, true, yeah, dude. College prepares, like, really doesn't prepare you for anything. I feel like all these technical, like, scientific engineering type of, degrees, like, it's on you, dude. It's on you to figure your shit out. College is just kind of there. And it's really about what you do in your free time and how much you want to learn, you know? There's more out there than college could have possibly prepared you for. Yeah, there you go. Exactly. Yeah, it's on you, man, to prepare for the real world, dude. College doesn't do shit. I swear. I hate to say it, but it points you. You know, college gives you some tools to like learn how to learn. That's how I always like to phrase it. You learn how to learn in college. You don't actually learn though. You gotta actually learn on your own time. Yeah, I could say so many things about like some of the courses they taught in my field. It's just dog shit the way they do it. Like I do like kind of engineering, physics stuff. Like that's what my job is, and I knew I never wanted to do theoretical math bullshit. Like I didn't want to do that all day. I didn't call it bullshit, but basically just saying like I don't want to do like theoretical math stuff, right? And I had to take so many theory classes, and the whole time I knew I was gonna do experiment. And they offer like no experiment classes for my degree. It was so weird. It had like one or two, but then the vast majority is like theory. But that's the only way you get your physics degree. Yeah, it's just like they're constantly 10 years behind. Actually, since this is a 2D view, don't need a 3D way. Yeah, just duplicate behind. Oh, that's a good idea. Duplicate it behind it. Hell yeah. Yeah, that's smart. Let's try to do that real quick. Okay, so what we would just do like I do got the spacing in there, but right, we could create a child game object. 2D game object. Just make like another square behind it. Hold up, we need to get some music in here. Wait, why is it so big? Why is this square big? The fuck? Here, we're just gonna copy this and then unpack it. Outline. And then we'll make it black. Oh. Wait, what? That goes in front of it? There. Okay. Let's make it like 1.05. There, we have an outline. Cool. Nice. How we like them? I like them outlines. Are you the next Michio Kaku? Dude, that's a name I haven't heard in a long time. What's your perspective on string theory? Oh man. I don't know, dude. String theory is, it's like, it's probably not right, but there's like no way to prove it. I only know what like other experts have told me. That's I don't actually know enough to know how wrong or right it is. But from what I hear from other people who are like well versed in the topic, like string theory is like, it's one of those like out there theories a little bit, but it is very mathematically based. Everything about like string theory is like, has a pretty solid like mathematical foundation, and it can make sense, and it's there because there are parts of physics that still don't make sense, and it's there to try to come up with a like explanation of like why those things don't make sense, right? But string theory itself has some problems, and it's not consistent with itself completely. It's better about some things and it's worse about others. But also, like, string theory is just kind of crazy. It's, like I said, it's probably not correct, but also there's no experiment that exists that can prove it. Someone said that you would need like you know CERN, like that giant particle accelerator in Europe. You would need like a CERN like the size of Earth to design an experiment that could prove or disprove string theory. Like that's like the best that they have. That's the energy scales you need to get to like start testing it, apparently. Okay. Well, you guys, it's pretty late. We made some progress. I don't think we're gonna make much more progress. But it was fun. Next time I make a 2D project, I'm not using any pre-made assets. I'm just going crazy with squares and circles and cylinders and capsules. I spent too much time ramping up. I'm not really sure what we do in this game. Also, I don't have a game loop planned. What do you guys think we should do in this game? There's a Radius raid clone. Alright, we're gonna check out this game and then we're going to bed. Oh. Basically asteroids. Oh shit, dude. Fuck off. What the fuck? Fuck is this, dude? I can't move. Dude, I can't move. What about adding some physics to the boxes? They aren't connected to the ground anymore. Could you do something interesting with that? Yeah, I probably could. I don't know. I think I should rely less on ChatGPT, guys. I should just get really good at like coding up little things, you know? So I think ChatGPT was my enemy tonight. I don't know. Trying to think Lion Twitch GPT. I wish I had $1 for every time you said that, dude. I've said it so many times. It's wasted so much of my fucking time. I learn a lot from it, but it also just wastes my time, dude. Yeah, we could add physics. It could be like Minecraft with physics. That's a good twist, right? Oh, dude, yeah. What if we do that? Package this code. I want it. Which code? You want this project? I'll give you access to the Git repo if you want. Alright, I'll give you okay. Alright, that's what I'm gonna do. Wait, okay, but before I go, I was thinking, what if we make a game where it's like, you can build like stacks of this shit and then you like push it over and then like you like clear objectives doing that. What do you guys think about that, dude? That's kind of a good idea. No? Yeah? We liking it? Alright, let me, You understand what I mean? Okay, I'm just gonna commit this. Basically what I'm saying is like, so say there's like an enemy over here or something, and like we can't get past it, right, for some reason. Like we can't jump over it because it's too tall. So we have to kill it, but we don't have any weapons. So what we do is we create a little stack of boxes, and then we push it over, and then the boxes kill the enemy. What about an ever-rising lava floor that kills boxes after floating for a while? Oh, that's such a good idea. I love that. All right, I'm gonna remember these ideas. Gonna post Thorolf's idea in the Discord. That's a good one. And then I won't forget it. Just add a sheet to the YouTube sheet for game dev ideas. You could even call it Spaderland. Oh my god, dude. Alright, let me share this with you and then I'm getting off. I can't stay up till past 1. It's public. You guys want it? And here it is. Almost got McDonald's alert at 10 a.m. Holy shit, that is degen shit. Anybody know anybody to raid? Last time I tried to raid somebody, it didn't work. Like, we just couldn't find anybody cool. What's this guy doing? Anyone but Evan? Dude, literally. I just get bad vibes from that dude every time I watch his stream. I don't know why. Like, it just feels toxic. He abuses people's generosity to fund his development, really? He can't be making that much money, can he?
Be not so much in use, but in my purpose, I'm just working for the one-shot scene. I just bake the
This guy
light.
seems nice. Alright, I'm
This
gonna raid this guy.
this is just a base color, not a material. So this not working with the light. Just a dark one in the light one part. So this is a volume blocking. And this material I get like which
Alright, you guys. Good night. Peace.
yeah, I just
Let's start the raid.
like presets. So actually, yeah, as you can see, this is for the skulls. Actually, they are the same. The structure is the same, just color variation or etc etc. Oh, Spader, Spader the bomb, raiding me. Thank you for the raid. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome aboard. So actually, I just made a simplified preset and the color variation tricks. So just different masks, but the structure is the same. Alright, alright. Thank you for the follow. Yeah, I'm doing well. I'm just working on my witchcraft scene. It's like third week started, and like one of my followers was asking how I was texturing the stuff, the whole stuff. He missed the texturing process, so I just breaking up a little bit of how I made the like the stylized material. It depends. Actually, it depends on what kind of tutorials you're watching. Cause yesterday I was watched like a tutorial for the gun texturing, like PBR photorealistic gun texturing, and actually the process is super different. Except I was making like in PBR props, so it's kind of some parts is a different how the process is going